Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very rough day here, not only for APHA, but a lot of the marijuana stocks out there. Going into the day, there was a good solid area of support right up here at approximately the 650 mark. But then this morning, that is where the price ultimately, fell below that first 30 minutes. And that was basically the floodgates opening back up, and from there down the price went. But then at least to give some credits to, the bulls were able to step in and start to get some sideways price movement, which is a good step in the right direction. Now, just because it's gone sideways does not mean that this is for sure the bottom. If only trading were that easy, but it's at least logical right now, and it points out that the important level of support now becomes a 615 mark, because again, that is where the buyers did finally step in and provide some support right there. So keep an eye on that going forward. In the event the 615 mark does not hold. Oh, wow, I didn't realize that it has not been down this far. Oh, wow. All right. Well, yeah, so this is essentially at lows that have not been seen for a very, very long time. I didn't realize it had been down that far. So essentially, that's definitely a very, very important level, because if the price breaks below there, then as you just saw, that's implying that the price is now at lows that have not been seen for a very, very long time. So, but like I said, to be fair, so far so good. 615 has really shown up and is acting as a very strong area of support. Now, in the event this does play out as support and the price gets some nice, bouncers movement off of it, where some of these areas of resistance at? The initial area of resistance, keep an eye on, is going to be right there where the party essentially stopped all afternoon long, right up at 625. So going into Monday, basically there's a sideways channel here that has formed. Again, bottom of that channel at 615, top of the channel right there at 625. In the event the price can push up through the upside of that channel and get the breakout, the overall next level of resistance would be that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average, where if you go back through the history of things, you can see there's quite the track record right now of that area acting as resistance. So I'm not saying it can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring it to A game. So all in all, a rough day, but the price is indeed trying to bottom out. So we'll see if the bulls can try to generate some upwards movement or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.